So this is the ULANZI U200. This is, 2 years later, actually. I've had this for quite a while, and it still works great. It has the button to power on, and it has, look at how bright that gets. So what you do is you put your phone in here, or camera, any camera really, because it's got a screw thread in here, and you can just record. It's perfect for, selfie modes. It also has these little legs in the bottom, so you can set this down like on a desk, and you can talk to the camera. And then it's also great because you can press the power button and you can just have it so that it's lights on the top and the bottom or all around. That way, if you're holding it, like you're trying to get some really cool creative shots and you want that light, also it's great because you can adjust that brightness. So like if you're getting closer to your subject, you can dim it down a little bit more and even change that color tone. The other thing I like about it is the battery lasts a long time. You have 3 cold shoe mounts on the top, so you can put microphones and other lights, maybe some other colors. And you can also plug your iPhone or any other camera into it via this USB port right here, and it works as like a power bank, so it'll charge that thing up. So it also has a quarter thread at the bottom if you want to put this on another tripod. But all in all, it's got the really nice rubber grips on the side for holding. It's a great little product. It does wonders if you just need that little key light in your life. And again, I've had this for over 2 years now, and it still works perfectly. So I highly recommend this, and thanks for watching.